Okay, we're going to do Algebra, lesson 85. And it's on stem and leaf plots and histograms, which are very similar, and they have to do with mode, mean, range, and median. And so if we have a set of numbers like test scores, and I have a bunch of them, you made a 95, and then you made a 96, and then you made a 97, but then you had an 82, and then you had an 80, and then you had a 75, and then you had a 93, and then you had a 94. And so there are your test scores right there. And let's say, I first want to say, what is your average? So as you know, to average your grades, you would add them all up, and you would divide by how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'd add them up, it's blah, 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 divide by 8, blah, 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 and you get that grade. We've done that before, I'm not going to go over that. But let's say you're asked to make a stem and leaf plot from them. So that is just where you simply divide it by tens and ones on the place value. It's like you draw this little line down the middle of them here, and you say, what numbers do I have over here on the tens? I have 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 8, 8, 8, 7, 9, 9. So I have 7, 8, and 9s, okay? Those are your stems. And then from there, you have leaves, or would you say leaves? Now, the thing is, let's say I have more than one of the same score. You made the exact same grade twice. You would list it both times. Don't combine. So I'm going to just start right here. So 95, 96, 97, 82, 80, 75, 93, 94. Now I wouldn't be able to stand this, and I would have to put these in numerical order. So I would put that way, and then I would do 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 instead. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't know if it's actually necessary to put them in order like that. Nope, they did not. So, but they did list, if they did have, let's say I made another 95 up here, then I would list 95 twice. I would list the 5 twice. So just so you know, that's stem and leaf. Now histogram, it's basically you turn it on its ear, you turn it on its side, I should say. That's just an old phrase. So you make it into a graph, and I've got 7, 8, and 9 represented. And here's my graph, and I would do 5, and then I would do 0, 2, and then I would do 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7. 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7. And that is a histogram. Now, the other thing is on the mode, mean, median, and range. I would need to put these in order. So I'd go 75, 80, 82, the rest are 90s. So we have 93, 94, 95, 95, 96, 97. 95, 95, 96, and 97. So, range, your two end ones, 97 minus 75. That'd be 2 and 2. So my range is 22. My median, that's the middle. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's my middle, is a 94. Mode is, I always think of most. Which one was listed most? And that would be 95. And then mean would be the average. And so if I added them all up, like we talked about before, we would divide by 9 this time because I added another one, and whatever your average is. And that is it for lesson 85. In your practice set, you're going to do, oh yeah, these are super simple. So you'll do A through H, and I know you can do it easily.